Updating your business profile on GrowthMentor is essential for attracting the right mentors and opportunities. Follow these simple steps to ensure your profile is current and effective. Step 1. Login. Access your GrowthMentor account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you use the correct email and password associated with your profile. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your profile settings. Step 3. Edit profile information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update skills and expertise. Scroll to the section where you can list your skills and areas of expertise. Add any new skills or experiences that enhance your profile and remove any outdated information to keep it relevant. Step 5. Save changes. After making all necessary updates, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure all your changes are recorded and your profile is up to date. By following these steps, you can keep your GrowthMentor business profile fresh and appealing to potential mentors and collaborators. Regular updates can lead to better networking opportunities and growth for your business.